Big news came out over the past week coming directly from the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing headquarters, and if you're a nonfiction writer, this could take your self-publishing business to the next level. We're going to be talking about the new Kindle Publishing Program in 2018, so stick around. Welcome to Self-Publishing with Dale, and if you want to learn how to publish your message, build your brand, and fulfill your ambition, then subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications to get all of the latest releases. Around the early part of 2018, Kindle Direct Publishing had a temporary flaw in the pricing structure, and it had many in the Kindle publishing community speculating its purpose. For one day only, a few KDP dashboards displayed 3 royalty structures in the pricing menu as opposed to the 2 we're accustomed to. As you may know, Kindle ebook royalty structure is either 70% or 35% based on the cost of your book. The confusion came when a grayed out 50% option appeared in a choice few accounts. What was it? Would this be any indication of the direction of KDP, or was it a mistake on their end altogether? Well, the mystery is now over as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing introduced Great on Kindle, an Amazon program that spotlights high-quality nonfiction ebooks. The benefits of being on the Great on Kindle program include a detailed page message that identifies it as a high-quality book, promotional credit offers for customers, and Amazon assures that this won't affect your royalty, nominations for potential merchandising opportunities, though they don't necessarily expand on this item, a 50% royalty plan if the book's list price meets their requirements. Now, the 50% royalty may seem like a raw deal for some nonfiction authors out there pulling in 70% royalty, but you should hear about the requirements before you pass on this unique program. The Great on Kindle eligibility requirements include 1. Make sure all images are high resolution. As a nonfiction author with files that are image heavy, you lose out on a large chunk of the profits due to delivery fees. The standard delivery rate for ebooks is about a penny for smaller files, but once you break into the megabytes, it can cost 15 cents per megabyte. This doesn't seem like much to the average self-publisher, but it certainly adds up if you have a 10 megabyte file that sells at $2.99. This doesn't seem like much to the average self-publisher, but it certainly adds up if you have a 10 megabyte file that sells at $2.99. Between the 30% take from Amazon and the delivery fees, most nonfiction authors with large interior files are left with royalty scraps. So now the 50% royalty is much more enticing because you won't be charged for the delivery fee. 2. Make sure enhanced typesetting is enabled. Enhanced typesetting is a special layout that allows for faster reading with less eye strain, beautiful page layouts, and large fonts. 3. Enter unique, accurate book details. Bad news for you hack artists out there, keyword stuffing your metadata. Amazon KDP does not want your content. They're looking for clean book descriptions and keywords as well as accurate category choices. KDP even went on to say, be accurate. Make sure your book details match what's on your cover and in your manuscript to avoid reader disappointment. Be consistent. Use the same title, author, and series name across editions and formats. We also recommend entering unique book details. Commonly used terms or phrases in your title, subtitle, or series name can make it harder for customers to find your book. Further, as a best practice, don't be redundant with choosing a subcategory. Choosing even a single category will display your book in a variety of searches, so don't list your book in both a category or one of its subcategories. 4. Enable Xray. Xray allows you to add your own running commentary that shows up when the reader uses the Xray feature. The Xray feature is kind of like adding Easter eggs to your content. 5. Correct any typos or formatting errors. Editing and proofreading are paramount if you expect to be taken seriously in the self-publishing business, and Amazon wants to go on to further reward those with exceptional work. 6. Set up an author page. This one's pretty darn simple, and anyone who's published a book on Amazon should take advantage of Amazon Author Central. In fact, I have an entire YouTube video series about the Amazon Author Central profile setup. For a peek at the videos, head over to selfpublishingwithdale.com/author page. Even though you may meet all the above, the Great on Kindle program is currently invite only and on a book-by-book basis. This means there's not much you can do to get into the program outside of meet their eligibility requirements and hope for the best. For the full rundown about the Great on Kindle program, head over to selfpublishingwithdale.com/great. So what do you think about the news? Is this something you're excited to hear? And do you see an opportunity for your self-publishing business? Hey, if you enjoyed hearing about this info, make sure you share it with someone else who would appreciate it too. Till later, this has been Self-Publishing with Dale, and I'll catch you soon.